Sometimes I think paints travel better than people do. A Pahari painting carries the spirit of hills. A Rajasthani painting carries the colors of a desert. A Mughal painting carries centuries of observation, details, and storytelling. I first discovered it in class 11th and it completely changed the way I look at art and paintings in art galleries. And suddenly, paintings weren't just images, they were journeys lived through people. Windows into different communities, places, and ways of seeing the world. That's what I love the most about Indian art and culture. Every region has its own voice and yet they speak to each other. And that's why initiatives like Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat, Swadeshi Ke Anant Rang matter. Because they bring together many stories, culture, and people who continue to shape India. With Garware Film Support and Sakshi bringing this vision to life, join us at 22nd and 23rd of July at NCPA Mumbai. Goodbye.